As you have experienced the workshop yesterday afternoon, which conclusions do you take home?
It was quite interesting to see all these mechanisms, how they are working. And I mean, normally you see all this from outside, and now we were in this and we saw that it isn't as easy as it seems to be sometimes.
Well, at first I must say it has been a quite interesting experience to to represent a country which hasn't the same democratic structures as in Switzerland, where I come from. I've been in Kenya, and it's quite hard to see how difficult it is to, as a poor country, to really achieve something on the world market, and therefore it was quite a good way to illustrate the difficulties, the inequalities which exist in in global politics. And yeah, for an illustration, it was quite good, and it has been nice to see that there are engaged people within every of those countries who want to change something.
Okay, from the proceedings of yesterday afternoon, I can say that I've learned that democracy should be all-inclusive, like from the game that was played by the Yes Group. I learned so much from the different countries, and different countries have different forms of democracies, and when we unite that and come together, I think democracy is very, very broad, and we can achieve much. Yeah.
Your expectations for the topic of this Congress, have they been fulfilled?
When you look at the whole thing, yes, but what I missed a bit is there was a lot of discussion about the how of democracy, but not of the if of democracy. Because I thought there would also be the question, is it the only possible form of government?
So far they have clearly been fulfilled. Some of the discussions could have been a little bit more, catchy and with more life within, but especially this morning I've seen that there is some fire going on, some basic discussions which have to be made about the future of democracy, about the direction which democracy has to go to. And therefore I hope it continues this way. It's only about 3 or 4 hours now, it's sad, but yeah, so far it has been fulfilled.
Yeah, so far, so speaking, I think my expectation has been achieved. While I came, I didn't know that they would tackle like the whole broad aspect of democracy, but so far so good. I can totally agree. The conference was more than enough. It was more than fulfilling for me.
That's nice to hear. Thank you very much.
Thank you.